Picture this. You wake up, ready to flaunt your Air Jordan 1, and bam! They're extremely buried under layers of dirt and grim. But hold on tight. I'm about to show you how to bring them back to life in under 10 minutes. And this transformation is next level. So let's get started. Now to clean the shoe, all you need is a cleaning lotion, a brush, bowl of water, microfiber cloth, orange peels or odor control spray. So let's get started with step number 1, that is dusting of the dirt. So grab a brush and give your shoe a good dust over. From toe to heel, work that brush in quick, firm strokes. Watch how the dirt starts to give up its hold. On to step number 2, that is deep cleaning. But before I get started, let's remove the laces and dip them into the cleaning lotion over here. Let them soak into the soapy water till the time I clean my shoes. Now moving on to the shoe cleaning process, I'm using the Crep Protect cleaning lotion to clean my sneakers. Just put a couple of squirts into water. For the brush, I'm using the Philips sneaker cleaner. This is one of the best sneaker cleaners in the market as it comes with 2 nozzles. One is a hard brush bristle and the other one is a medium brush bristle. You need both of them for shoe cleaning. I am using the hard brush bristle first as we will start with cleaning the sole. So dip this into water. I highly recommend cleaning the sole of the shoe first and then work your way up so that the heavy dirt comes off. Now let's wipe the shoe using the microfiber cloth. See how clean the sole is. Now moving on to the midsole, we will just change the nozzle and put a medium brush stroke, as the upper is made of leather and you should not use a hard brush on the upper of the shoe. Repeat the process, dip the brush into soapy water and start scrubbing into circular motion. This helps get into the stitching and the tiny little grooves at the bottom. Don't forget to pay attention to the tough spots. So I'm done with 1 round of scrubbing. Let's take the microfiber cloth and wipe it off. Also, to avoid your shoes reaching this level of dirtiness, I would suggest to use sneaker wipes every time you wear them. Now let's check if there are any dirt spots. I do see a couple of them over here and here. So let's repeat the process. As these are a little tough stains, you can put a little more pressure when you're cleaning on these areas. This won't harm the shoe at all because I'm using a medium bristle brush. For these little corner areas, you can use a toothbrush as it's easy to clean. Moving on to the tongue area, this looks pretty dirty. Let's clean it. You can apply more water over here as this is much softer and absorbing material. Also, don't forget to clean the shoe from the inside. Now it's time to clean the laces. Just rub them between your hand and wash them with clean water. You can see that tongue is super clean now. All the dirt has been removed. These red marks you see are basically color bleeding and this is very common in Air Jordan 1. Even my lost and found have color bleeding on them. Let me know if you have also faced this problem on Air Jordan 1s. You can actually see the difference. This shoe looks nice, clean, fresh, whereas this one is super dirty. So let's clean this pair as well. So now both the pairs are absolutely clean. Keep them under the sun for a few hours till the time they're completely dry. Now the last step, that is step number 3, is to make your shoes smell good. For that, you can either use Odor Control foot spray. This is readily available in the market. Just shake it well and spray it thoroughly inside the shoe. Or you can use a quick hack that I use a lot, that is take orange peels and put it inside the shoe. I love the citrusy smell. Just let it sit overnight and you will be amazed by the results. So that's a wrap of a sneaker rescue operation. But before you go, share your sneaker transformation stories in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions regarding sneaker cleaning, comment below. And if you're still wondering on how to clean suede shoes, then check out this video right over here.